welcome back to my channel, and we are so glad to have you if you are new. We are a family of 4 living in a single wide mobile home doing some Christmas decor in my kitchen today. I love how all this turned out. It's all the little touches. Most of the things that you're going to see in this video I've already had, or they come from the Dollar Tree because I decorate on a budget and we try to keep things on a smaller scale because we do small living here. But I just love Christmas and I go all out, and I really love how all this turned out. So I'm going to be switching out all of my mugs here on my mug racks, which you guys have asked quite a few times where I've gotten these. I ordered these off of Amazon, and they're simply called mug racks, coffee mug racks, and you just mount them underneath your kitchen cabinets. But I'm taking all of my mugs off and I'm replacing them all with our Christmas ones. So we got a full little Christmas vibe going here. And that fa la 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 I made. A lot of the things that you're going to see in here I have made, and they are in past videos. I will try to remember to link them down below. And believe me, all of the things that I use to make this kind of stuff I get from the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in any of that, I will link my Christmas, I'll probably just link my Christmas playlist down below, because all my DIYs and my previous Decorate With Me videos are all in there, and that'll show all the stuff that I have made in my Dollar Tree DIY videos. I know you Lovies have seen me already decorate my 3-tier tray in a previous video, but after I pulled out all the rest of my Christmas stuff, I realized I could add some more stuff, so I moved its position, put it in a new home, and added some new decor to it, and I really love how it turned out.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear, jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, oh, oh. the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho, ho, ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house.
My Christmas tea towels came from the Dollar General. They were $2 each. And my adorable black and white buffalo check Christmas rugs came from Big Lots. And I'm sorry, they came from Lovies. That's right. And they were $3.99. And I love how all of that turned out. I think my little shelf that I got from the Goodwill right here turned out so cute. One of you Lovies actually made me that little plate. Oh, I just love that. And I made the Merry Christmas Santa's coffee like 2 Christmases ago. Again, if you're interested in any of my DIYs, the playlist will be linked down below. I love how my kitchen is all coming together, and I really love all of the red and black buffalo check. I love this little snowman lantern that I got from the Goodwill a couple weeks ago. That inspired me to do my whole shelf in snowman because I just loved it. I thought it was so cute. I got it for $2 at the Goodwill. And I'm not sure what that's called. I don't know if it's a lantern. You put a little tea light in it, but it's just adorable. So I love how it all came together. I love that I did snowman in this little section, and it just makes it feel warm and cozy. And that is going to be it for me, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this Decorate With Me video. Thank you so much for dropping in and the mobile homestead and spending time with us as we decorate our home for the holidays. Remember, guys, whether God has blessed you with a mobile home or a mansion, be grateful for whatever He has given you, and I know He will bless you with more. I love you. There's another video of me still decorating my house coming Friday, so stay tuned, and I will talk to you then. Bye, guys. I almost forgot, guys, that I'm hosting a card exchange on my Facebook group, Lovey Tribe Homemaking Group. If you're not subscribed to that, my Facebook group is linked down below. Join up. We have lots of fun over there, and it gives me a chance to see all of you guys' stuff, your home decor, what you're doing, what you're making, recipes, all the fun things. And I'm hosting, I'm hosting a Christmas card exchange over there. So if you'd like to exchange some Christmas cards for the holiday, then join my group and you'll get a card from me from Christmas. And don't forget about my Patreon too, guys. I do a whole bunch of stuff there. Like I just did a whole Christmas journal spread over there 2 days ago. So if you guys are interested in seeing some other sides of me, join my Patreon as well. But my Facebook group is free, it's private, and we have fun over there. So I'll see you guys there. Bye!